what you are going to keep.
Please feel free to ask. I'll try my best to answer.
Within the same subtask. Do we have another subtask?
Focus on how to be
Well, I attended several workshops of Linkit already, but for me this one was the best.
The most striking thing for me was curriculum development, because we were using case studies from India and we knew what we were developing would be used immediately after we have left. So we were prepared for that, and that's the most remarkable aspect of the workshop.
Have you ever seen a Picasso, a real one? So you should just imagine that you come to a workshop and you start to look at a reality in a very different manner and using a different corner.
The sessions on thesis supervision, critical thinking and cooperative learning has given me a different avenue in teaching learning. So now when I plan my training programs, I can do it in a different way.